Hey there! Did you hear about Claude? The app's been making waves recently. After a hiccup with its big deal with the Pentagon, it seems to have bounced back in a huge way. Now, more people are downloading Claude than ever before, more even than ChatGPT. And not just one-time downloads but daily active users too. This growth is huge because it shows that users trust and rely on Claude for their day-to-day tasks. Imagine having an AI assistant that's always there to help you with everything from research to writing. It's a game changer. So, if you're looking for a smarter way to get things done, give Claude a try. You won't be disappointed.